Hello class, I just want to give you a quick review of how you can check your points for Yellowdig. As you can see here, this is our assignment, and I'm just going to walk us through signing into Yellowdig. We click this link. I already pulled up my points log, but where you would find that is under the data tab. You would go to reports and then click on your name. As you can see from the post that I've done for week 1, my participation at this stage is 35% of my overall grade for Yellowdig. If I don't post anything else other than what is already in the system, I will get a 35% for my Yellowdig grade. This number is going to change each week depending on where I am with my points. So what you can see here is on week 1 that I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or I received 5 uh, likes, and that gave me 50 points each, should I say. Another one here is where I posted a 100 minimum word entry and received 280 points there. I also received another, so that's 5, a total of 6 likes on the post that I posted, and received 2 comments on that. The total points that I received for the week is 700, meaning I needed, if I was trying to get the maximum points, I needed to have at least 300 more points so that I would get the total points for that week. What I want to show you is, and let me just show you, they're all the way linked out for the 16 weeks. So you'll see that each week you will have to start over earning your points. So for week 2, which is what started today on the 20th, I have no points here. So I need to earn some points for this week to add to my overall score. If you click on where it says view participation, it's going to give you some visuals of where you are with that 35%. You see here, my total points of 700 over the course of the semester is only 35% because the explanation here is I earned 700 points of the 1350. 700 points, and I can earn 1350 more before I reach the maximum of 2050 points this period. If I earn all 1350 points this week, I would have made up for the points that I did not earn last week. Okay, so again, the total points for the entire semester is 16,000. So you have to work each week in order to get a maximum score. This arc here lets you know where you are, and it grows as you add points. So once you see that at 700, I'm not even halfway to my points for that particular week. For the week, it's just a visual to let you know how much more effort you need to put in place to get all the way to your maximum points for the week. Period 2 means it's period 2. Let me go down a little further so you can see some additional information. Same thing, letting you know where you are. These are your 700. This is your target. I have a long way to go. Another visual over time lets you know, or it shows you, if I don't do anything, it's going to flatten out. Or if I was to increase it, if I came up, it'll show you that this period number 2, I increased it a little. The points log, you can click on these down arrows to see some additional information. Same things, but what I want to show you specifically is that it lists out exactly what you received, and it keeps an accumulated change every time you earn some points. So there's my 53, 58, 64, and then 70. As of last week, we only had 1 week of points. So I ended last night with 70% because that's what the expected target was at the time. But now I have 2 weeks to 2 weeks of points to base this percentage off of. So that's 700 points at 70% will change because it's not just 1,000 points anymore. That 700 points is now related to 2,000 because we had 1,000 for week 1 and 1,000 for week 2. So that dropped my 70% from yesterday to a 35% today. But this will go up as I add my posts for this week. Okay? Couple of more things I want to draw your attention to so you can look at yours specifically. This is your points overview to keep you on target about when things happen, what your points are, how many sessions. You can monitor that as an overview. But if you click on this question mark here, this also gives you some additional information to keep you on target of what you are doing in Yellowdig. So I hope this helps with explaining how to keep up with where you are in your points.